I already have this face complete, but I'm going to change a couple things with this look and just have a little bit of fun with my makeup. So I am here to have fun. Let us have some makeup fun. This is really fun, so keep watching. I have the NATASHA DENONA XENON palette. I'm going to use the colors in there and create a tribal face. I don't know what it's going to look like, so two of us, we're going to know together. I'm going to start with the first shimmer. It's almost like a silver. I am back with a quick makeup transformation. Everything is the same. I just did some dots to create a tribal look with the shimmers from the XENON palette. Mostly all of them, as you can see, look the same. Some of them are toppers and some of them are shimmers. But this is my tribal plain in makeup, having fun look. I love doing these because I just love having fun and living my life pure and true to my core. This is me. If I wasn't filming so you can see, I would be doing exactly this. I show up exactly as I am. My hair could be in a mess. I mean, that's just real life. How I'd be behind the scenes if I wasn't on the camera, having fun doing this. I hope you appreciate it. Again, until I see you and you see me, live freely. Live your life pure to who you truly are. Share this video. I love you dearly, and I will see you soon. Bye.